So let's now talk about attributes of threat actors. Now, historically, static known threats such as viruses or specific vulnerabilities in software, they were very easy to identify with automated software. Unfortunately, the hackers and cybercriminals got a lot smarter and they were able to develop means of circumventing this type of signature-based scanning. As such, it is important to analyze the new modern nature of cyber threats by identifying the attributes in terms of like their location, their intent, as well as their capability. Now, in terms of location, an external threat is one that has no account or authorized access to the target system. Now, such threats, they typically would need to make use of malware or social engineering in order to infiltrate the security system. Now, conversely, an internal or insider threat is one that has been granted permissions on the system and typically means either an employee or a third-party contractor. Now, in terms of intent and motivation, intent simply describes what the attacker will hope to achieve from the attack, while motivation is the reason for perpetrating the attack. Now, motivation in most cases is typically driven either by greed, curiosity, or grievance, maybe in the case of a disgruntled ex-employee, or maybe for like social justice as an example, right? And then threats can either be structured or unstructured. Now, an example of a structured threat would be like a criminal cyber gang that are attempting to steal financial data. They typically would have like a well laid out plan. They will know exactly who the target is, where the weak points are, and so on. On the other hand, you could have a simple script kiddie launching a series of spam emails. That's simply an unstructured attack, and it's also very opportunistic. Now, in terms of level of sophistication and capability, the technical abilities and resources of funding the adversary possesses must also be considered. Now, capability, of course, refers to the threat actor's ability to craft novel exploit techniques and tools. Now, the least capable threat actor, like the script kiddie, would rely on commodity attack tools that are widely available, while the more capable threat actors, they can create and fashion their own zero-day exploits in operating systems. Now, the most capable threat actor groups typically receive funding from nation states and criminal syndicates. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next class.